Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam.
wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. It's nice to have you all from around the world in these Zoom meetings. Thank you for saving your times to attend the Zoom meeting. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Daniel Pradibowo. I'm from China, or in Chinese, the translation is 大家好，下面我来介绍一下我自己。我叫 Daniel Prayudi-Wibowo. And maybe I'm not too familiar with all of you. So maybe I want to ask each one of you to introduce yourself, maybe starting from Echa. Echa, can you introduce yourself?
안녕하세요. 제 이름은 에차나 필라투스 살레사입니다. 나는 학교에서 왔어요. 감사합니다.
Okay, can we know the translation of it? Hello, Echa, can we know the translation of what you just said before?
My name is Echana Filsalesa. I am from South Korea.
Okay, it's nice to have you here, Echa from South Korea. And for next is Cici. Can you introduce yourself?
Konnichiwa, watashi no namae wa Cici Fitriani desu. Nihon kara kimashita. My name is Cici Fitriani. I am from Japan. Thank you.
Okay, nice to have you here too, Cici from Japan. And for next is Fadilah. Can you introduce yourself?
مرحبا يا أصحابي. قبل أن نتحدث قدم اسمي فضيلة فتور رحمن وجئت من جزيرة عربية. My name is Fadila Fatur Rahman and I'm from Jazirah Arab. Thank you.
Okay, nice to have you here, Fadilah. And next is Diki. Can you introduce yourself to us?
Okay, hello everyone. I am Diki Fauji and I'm from English. Thank you.
Sorry, maybe you mean England?
Yeah, I'm England.
Okay, nice to have you here from England, Diki from England. And the last one, Dea, can you introduce yourself to us?
Hai, nama saya Dewa Humaira. Saya berasal dari Singapura. Kebanyakan orang di sini bercakap bahasa Inggris dan bahasa Melayu. So I will speak in English. My name is Dewa Humaira. I am from Singapore. Mostly a lot of people can speak in English and Melayu, so I will speak in English.
Okay, nice to have you here. They are from Singapore. And now in this opportunity, we would like to discuss and questions about each other's country, such as the food, the person, the culture, etc. And in this discussion, I would like to tell you that you can ask two questions to the others, and so the others can answer two questions. And from that, maybe before we start the discussion, any question, maybe you guys haven't figure it out clearly. Any other question before we start? Okay, maybe it's clear. So, okay, so we will start our discussion. Maybe start from me. I would like to ask a question to Korea, to Echa. I mean, what is the most popular food in Korea?
Okay, the most popular food in Korea is kimbap, ramyeon, tteokbokki, gyoza, jjajangmyeon, and kimchi.
Okay,
And I
okay,
have question.
I will make it clear. Every, I mean, every time someone finish asking a question, you and answer it, answer you can ask other question to someone else and doesn't need to wait from me to tell you gonna ask some question or not. Okay, go ahead, Echa.
Okay, I have a question for England. Who is the most famous person in England?
Okay. The most famous person is Queen Elizabeth. Yeah.
Okay, you
And
wanna ask a question to others, Diki?
okay. And I have a question for Arabic. Who is the most wait. Sorry. Who is the most famous person for Arabic?
Sorry, you can repeat it. I can hear clearly.
Diki, sorry, can you repeat the question
Diki,
because Padilla
for the question
can't
is,
hear
what is the
it
question?
clearly.
Repeat. Repeat again.
Yes, repeat. Maybe I will make it clear. Can you say your question again because Padilla can hear you clearly?
Okay. What is the unique culture from Arabic?
Okay, for the unique culture in Jazirah Arab is for the first is the language or uh, uh, Lugatu Arabia and calligraphy art and the architecture from the Middle Eastern. For the question, I want to ask the Singapore, Dea Humaira, uh, how are the people? How are the people in Singapore? Are they nice to tourists?
Most of people in Singapore is nice, but they can contribute a lot if you need some help because they are busy with their own business. I don't care about people's business. And I would to know that what is the most popular place in China?
I'm sorry, I was muted before. So the most popular place in China is Great Wall of China, Hong Kong City, uh, and Forbidden City, and many other more.
Thank
Okay,
you.
yeah, you're welcome. For question, I wanna ask to Korea again. What is the most popular building in Korea?
Okay, Daniel. The most popular building in South Korea is Namsan Tower, has become an icon of the city of Seoul and is a tourist destination visited by many foreign tourists. And I have a question for England. The question is, what the most popular food in England? Thank you.
Okay. The most popular food in England, full English breakfast, Scotch egg, Persian pasty, shepherd's pie and chip, stick and kidney pea, bubble and squeak, sticky toffee pudding, triple, Victoria's strong check, another. I have a question, and I have a question for Japan. Is there any prohibit thing to do or taboo thing?
Yes, that is awasebashi. Awasebashi is the activity of passing food to others from one pair of chopsticks to another. This is prohibited because it is considered to bring bad luck. I have question to Arabic. How is the weather?
Okay. The weather in here is during hot day and cold at night. And I would ask to Singapore, uh, what is the most popular building in there?
The most famous building in Singapore is Marina Bay Sands. No list of landmarks in Singapore would be complete without mentioning Marina Bay Sands. And I would like to know in Japanese, what is the most popular building in there?
The most popular building in Japan is Tokyo Skytree. Tokyo Skytree is the tallest tower in the world. And this tower was previously called the New Tokyo Tower, which is a broadcast, observation, and restaurant tower. I have question to China. How are the people? Are they nice to tourists?
Okay, for the people, yes, they are. There are much people that will help you when you get lost on the street. Also, when you arrive in China, there is always people that want to help you in the airport or any other public transportation terminal. Okay, maybe uh, looking at the time and because we we have we had as a lot and know each other, maybe uh, I will take it as that's enough from now. Thank you, all of you for attending the Zoom meeting. May the good always be with us, uh, and we are always in a good fortune. Maybe we can meet some other times. Thank you for your times. Maybe I will I will I will finish it for now, and maybe we can we can do this meeting again another time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.